Hi, we're Big Wise registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. Do more for your health by enjoying at least 2 seafood meals per week.
Intimidated to prepare seafood? These chef-inspired recipes couldn't be easier to whip up.
Steamed mussels with coconut milk, ginger, lemongrass, and green beans. Heat oil in a large pot. Add onions and sauté. Add mussels, coconut milk, lemongrass, ginger, chili flakes, and green beans. Cover and cook until mussels have opened. Garnish with fresh lime juice and herbs, then serve with crusty bread.
Chef Andrew's Salmon. Season fish with salt and pepper. Heat oil in pan, sear fish on both sides, then transfer to a sheet pan. In a bowl, combine honey mustard, Dijon mustard, superfine sugar, and vinegar. Whisk in oil, season with dill and salt. Spread sauce on fish, top with fresh breadcrumbs, and broil.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigWise.com.